Look at that. See that? This is what I like to see. Spider-Man 3. Spider-Man, not with ripped minifigure parts or prints, I don't know. Sandman, looking like actual sand. And then we got Venom, look at that. That's so sick. Dude, it's fire. And for the low cost of only $30. Within my budget for an actual set. Not too crazy, not too small, not too big either. Just the right amount of Lego to build. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna build this Lego set. Because 1, I love Spider-Man. 2, I love Marvel. 3, I love Legos. And 4, there is no 4th. I just want to build it. So let's build it. All right, Lego here. Keyboard. I'm gonna push you as far back as I can right now. Same with you, mouse. Final Fantasy VII soundtrack playing in the background for myself while I build this awesome, amazing set. So yeah, let's get to it. Yes. All right. Let me just. Cool beans. Wham! Look at that. Now we just gotta. Instruction manual, look at that. Oh yes, beautiful. We have webs, pillar stuff, yeah. All right, I guess we'll go with number 1. Let me open this up. My favorite part about playing with these sets, well, I wouldn't say playing, but more or less building, is the mental gymnastics that goes through my head when I'm building. Now, what does that mean? I don't necessarily know, but just more the sense of like, what would you say, feng shui? No, therapeutic, that's what I would say. It's very therapeutic. Look at that. Look at the boy, look at the man himself. Wait, can I focus that? Yo, that's sick. And we got Sandman right here, which I don't even know if he has legs. He doesn't. This is his legs. This is Sandman's legs right here, is what I'm taking part of. Or oh wait, no, he does have legs. Look, here it is. Bam, look at that. Sandman. Looking more like, Jesus, dry as hell. You know. But yeah, I remember when that movie came out at theaters. I saw it, and I thought Harry Osborn's character looked so cool for, what was it like? It was like Hobgoblin, was it just another Green Goblin? I don't know. I need to rewatch that movie. I remember when it came out, all the advertisements for that movie. Oh man, I remember Burger King specifically because we used to go there all the time with my father. He would take us to Burger King, and they had the bobbleheads. I don't know if you remember the bobbleheads, but they were so cool and so unique, like for just little toys. Like I remember the one I had the most was it was Spider-Man. He was like a black Spider-Man. He was upside down, and you just pull him, and then like he would like wind up from his web, like he was, you know what I mean? It was sick. It was sick. Also, I think I had the Sandman one, and I think I had the Venom one too. I think there was 2 Venom ones. I don't remember, but I think I had one of the Venom ones. But it was really cool. Another thing I remember having a lot was it was the plug and play games for Spider-Man. I remember having it was the original one where it was like his mask like formed into the web, or you know what I mean? It was like his mask. And then remember they had like the lizard game in there. They had the little action game as well. It actually got really hard at a certain point, but I don't know if I could beat it now. It might still be hard, to be honest with you. I'd love to do a video on playing just those. I remember one had like all the superheroes in it, and it had a Ghost Rider game in it. It's not even Spider-Man related, but it had Ghost Rider, and it was so sick. Oh man, brings you back. And then that part goes straight in there. Oh, this is kind of cool. Okay, so check this. We got the Sandman right here, and then we got this hand, right? And then now I can just do this. And now he has a bigger hand. Me after Destroy Dick December. Nice. Alright, very cool. But yeah, I remember seeing a lot of like Spider-Man memorabilia. I can't think of anything else really that I necessarily had. Oh, I remember having this this Venom. It was like this Venom toy, and it was like him like when he's like all like in this like I don't even know like this state, kind of like how Sandman's supposed to look in this, but like for Venom. And like it came with like a jar of goo, and you're supposed to like push it in. I just never knew how it worked, and I just always like messed it up. But that's so funny. Let's see. I'm supposed to make 2 of those? Okay. Wait, I can't find any other pieces now that I need. Excuse me, Lego. Okay. Where is the piece? Why can't I find the piece? Oh, hello. What? I got food. Yay. And the McChicken. Oh, yeah. Look, guys, I got McDonald's. I wish I was sponsored. Very dry. Very nice. Well, might as well take a food break. Whew, I'm back. Let's get this. All right, where were we? Oh yeah, that's right. We're building the other part of the hand. Jesus. So this is exactly why I enjoy my sets smaller than, bigger than life. Dog, what? There. You see this? They just said, you know what? Let's just not give them that piece. Shall we? Okay, that's cool. That's great. Plastic still? No? Not in there. Well, that's unfortunate. Cool. Well, we can't do the other hand, I guess. Ooh, look at that. We got ourselves a little sculpture. That's kind of cool now, ain't it? Very nice. Turns out, it did not have the other piece to make the other hand. Thank you, Lego. Very cool. I'm glad to know I have extra pieces that I cannot use. But I'll keep you over here just in case I do find extra piece, but I highly doubt it. Anyways, bag number 2. Maybe they packaged it in this one instead. Highly doubt it, but hey, you never know these days. Take my jacket off too. Whew. You know, as a guy who partakes in the collecting and comic books, I gotta say, one of my favorite Venoms probably has to be, you know, the Donny Cates Nah, I'm just kidding. I like more of the original Todd McFarlane Venom. You know, just love that bulky, bully looking build that he has. I think my favorite cover is probably 316. I get it. It's very basic, but I mean, come on, you can't go wrong with the basics now, can you? There he is. Oh, dude, look at that boy. Very nice. Look at that. Now that's Venom. All right, time to build some more, shall we? To like swing back as well, but hey, it's all right. It's cool. Anyways, peep, look at that. Wow, very cool. Even though Sandman only, you know, he only goes on one side of his arm, which is cool. Other than that though, pretty freaking sick if I say so myself. Wait. Whoa. Look at that boy. Fire. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Is this worth the $30? Hell yeah. Well, that's all I have.